Hello, so I'm making this video for Western Governors University, one of the assignments, and today we're going to talk about proving triangles congruent. So I'm going to look at the slides that I made for this video. Let's look at it together. Congruence is two figures that are equal, but it's exactly same size and shape. So it's equal in every way, so it's more than just being equal. In order to prove the two triangles are congruent, does all three sides and all three angles need to be congruent? No, you just need three pieces of information. They are SSS, which stands for side side side, SAS, which stands for side angle side, ASA, which stands for angle side angle, and lastly AAS, which stands for angle angle side. And order matters. So the first three, they're interchangeable in order. You can read it backwards. It says the same thing. AAS, sometimes it could be written as SAA, depending on how the triangle is presented. So SSS, like I said, all the sides are equal. And more often than that, sides being equal are shown with tally marks. That's how you can tell they're talking about sides. And then side angle side. You have a side, angle, and a side. Order matters. Angle is included, and angle is always between the two sides that are being shown congruent. As showing here, angle is between two sides. Like shown here on the left, in the middle one, the angle is on the top. On the third one, angle is on the right. So angle, side, angle. So it's similar to side, angle, side, but angle, side, angle, side is between the two angles, so it includes a side. So included side. So first one, there you have a side on the left that's being sandwiched by two angles. Second one, you have side on the right that's being sandwiched by the two angles, and then third one, you have a side that's being sandwiched by the two angles on the bottom. This one, so you want to name the included side. If you have YE, the side, and ES, if you want to prove by angle, side, angle. Well, so this is what I meant to do. When you have Y, you want to, if the two angles you're showing are Y and E, the side YE right here, it has to be show congruence. If you have two angles given, angle E and angle S, side ES, then needs to be shown congruent. If you have sides S and Y, then the side SY, or you can read it as YS, order does not matter, but the side side has to be shown congruent. Third, you have angle angle side, in which you have a side, but the side is not between the two angles. So it's not included side. So as you can see here, if you read clockwise, angle, angle, side. This one also angle, angle, side. That's all there is to kind of talk about angle, angle, side, or sometimes known as side angle, angle. However, in geometry, you cannot have three pieces of information, which is given SSA, which is side angle. So anytime you're given, like for example this one, if you're given side angle, it does not prove that they're congruent. And as some teachers, some students like to call it, if you say SSA backwards, it's ASS. There is no ASS in geometry. Also, there is no AAA, triple A. There is no angle, 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 and congruent triangles, because the three angles could be three angles could be congruent, but their sides could be different because of the ratio. That's how the angles work, and that's how ratios work. Just remember, there is no ASS, there is no AAA, and congruent triangles. That's summarized here. So only the top four proves congruence. Let's practice some of it. Name the postulate. This one, you have angle, and angle I forgot to mention earlier. Angle is shown with like a pizza sign, like a pizza slice. Pizza slices. So This one has two tally marks and one angle. An angle is between the sides. So this is side, angle, side, as shown here. This one, angle are surrounding a side. In other words, side is sandwiched by the angles. That one, so it's angle, side, angle. Third picture right here is showing side, side, angle. Angle is not between the two sides. So this one is SSA or ASS. The last one is showing each side has tally marks. This one showing side, 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 side. This one, so moving on to the next slide. This one, you have angle, 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 angle. Again, does not prove congruence. Second one, you have angle, side, angle, because side is between the two angles. This one works. Third picture, you have side, angle, side. So this one works, side, angle, side. This one also works. Again, this one, you have like a quadrilateral figure in the middle. Just look at the two triangles that's on the outer edge and double check that. Just figure out what's going on. You have angle and you have side and a side. But you will see that the angle is not between the two sides. So this one is going to be side, side, angle rather than side, angle, side. So this one, again, SSA or angle, side, side. Name this postulate. So this one, what's going on here is that the two triangles are touching each other, meaning they share a side. So this one, there's a side that's being shared, so it's side, angle, side. Side, angle, side on both of the pictures. The second picture, we get vertical angles, which are angles are opposite to each other, they're equal to each other, because two triangles are facing each other. You get vertical angles, giving us side, angle, side, side, angle, side. Again, third picture, you have side, angle, side going on, side, angle, side. Then last one, you have the two triangles are touching each other, so you have a side. This one's giving you side, side, angle, side, side, angle for both triangles, which means again, there's no side, side angle in a triangle. Again, let's do some little more practice. First one, you're given two pieces of information for both triangles. They're both sides, and so you're given two sides. Again, this one, they're sharing a side, so this gives you, in the middle, a congruent side. So you get side, 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 side. This picture, you're given an angle and a side. However, the two triangles are facing each other. Whenever that happens, they share an angle. They have the same angle at the middle. So this one gives you angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. Third picture, you have side, side, angle, because angle is not between the two sides. Again, so this one, angle, side, side. There is no angle, side, side in geometry. Last one, you have three pizza slices. So angle, angle, angle. There is no angle, angle, angle in geometry to prove triangle congruence. Couple more practice. Here, this one, you got angle and a side, side and angle. You have an angle that's facing each other. You have two triangles facing each other. You get vertical angle in the middle. So you get angle, side, angle, angle, side, angle. This one in the middle, second one, you have an angle and a side, angle and a side. The two triangles are touching each other. They share a side. You get side, side, angle. You get side, side, angle. But side, side, angle does not prove triangle congruence. This one, the two triangles are not touching each other. They're not facing towards each other. But you're given three pieces of information. You're given, for each triangle, you're given two tally marks and one pizza slice. So this one, side, angle, side. This one, side, angle, side. Side, angle, side proves congruent. So in conclusion, guys, you have four ways to prove triangles are congruent, which is side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. Thank you for watching.